What do trustees do when the Community Scheme Ombud Service refuses to approve a sectional title rule? The CSOS plays a role in regulating, monitoring and controlling sectional title rules. And to explain the process, the Chief Ombud put out a circular on the 1st of August 2018 in which she stated there will be no need for the body corporate to table the amendments suggested by CSOS. The suggested amendments must be effected and the corrected documentation be submitted to CSOS for final quality assurance before approval. Now this is simply wrong. A body corporate can only make or change a rule by taking a special or unanimous resolution. This it does in respect of a particular wording. The trustees must then submit that approved wording to the CSOS under the prescribed form. The Chief Ombud has delegated the power to review and approve body corporate rules to CSOS employees, and they often respond requiring amendments. When this happens, the body corporate has a choice. It can either go back to the CSOS and explain that the original wording of the rule is valid and should be approved, or it can withdraw the rule. If the trustees agree that the rule should be changed as required by the CSOS, they cannot, as suggested by the Chief Ombud, just amend the wording as requested and resubmit it to the CSOS for approval because the changed wording is not the rule that the owners have approved by special or unanimous resolution, and that is the only way, in terms of the Sectional Title Schemes Management Act, a body corporate can make a rule. Where CSOS fails to approve the wording of a rule as it is submitted for approval, the trustees have three options. They can either remove the rejected rule from the list and submit the others to CSOS for approval, or they can object to the rejection and argue the matter until CSOS approves the original wording, or they can submit a new special or unanimous resolution to the owners with the changed wording so that they can make a new rule in the form which they know CSOS will approve. For more information on the requirements for body corporate rules, you can go to the library under the Paddock site, and you can download details on rules. So despite the wording of the circular entitled Lodgement of Sectional Title Scheme Rules in terms of the STSMA, this Act sets out how rules must be made, and the CSOS should not suggest that a body corporate can approve its proposed amendments without going through the proper processes. These are set out in Section 10(2)(a) and (b) of the Sectional Title Schemes Management Act, and as I've said, they require the body corporate to take a special or unanimous resolution making a management or conduct rule with a particular wording. Thank you for joining me.